Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add an audio to your Wix site. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. Here in the center of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on select and edit site. Once you do that, you're going to be redirected to your dashboard. So just wait for your dashboard to load. And then once loaded, just go here to the left side of your screen. Here you're going to find all of these sections. And in the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit site. Go ahead and click on edit site. And then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So this is basically going to be the Wix website editor. Just wait for it to load. And then once the page is loaded, just go here. As you can see, guys, if you go here to the left, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you design and customize your site. So right now, click on the plus icon in the top to add an element. Here, you're going to find the option to add a text element, image, button, strip, and so on. So go ahead and search for video and music. Once you find it, here you're going to find the video section and music section. Here you can add audio players, Wix Music, SoundCloud player, Spotify player, or iTunes button. For example, I'm going to go and with Spotify, drag the Spotify icon right here. As you can see, guys, now it's add in the Spotify player. And then once it's added, you can just go to the settings of the player and then click on search. And then you can search for the song that you want. For example, I'm going to add Kendrick Lamar, hit enter. And as you can see, guys, right here, there is a lot of results for my search. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.